Today we are going to learn short and long vowel sound. Okay? Long sound and short sound of vowel. What are vowels, baby? Vowels are A, alphabet E, I, O, and U. These are vowels, right? So each vowel has two different sounds, short sound and long sound. Okay, so let's see what are these sounds. Okay, can you tell me what is this alphabet? Yes, you are right. This is alphabet A. So what is the short sound of alphabet A? It is phonic sound. What is the phonic sound of alphabet A? Yes, it's A. That's why short sound of alphabet A is A. Now, what is the long sound of alphabet A? That is alphabetic sound. So long sound of alphabet A is A. Okay? So let's understand with an example. Okay? What is this picture? It's mat, right? Okay. So what is the beginning sound of mat? It is What is the ending sound of mat? It is D. What is the middle sound of mat? It is A, right? Mad. It's A. A is the phonic sound of alphabet A. So what is the short sound of alphabet A? It's A. The way we used it, mat. A. Mat. Okay? Now let's see another picture. Oh, Mama made food for you. Okay? So, what is the beginning sound of made? It is What is the ending sound of made? It is D. What is the middle sound of made? It is A, right? So, A is the long sound of alphabet A. Here you go. When you will hear the long sound, when E will come together as friend. So here it is A, D, made. So what is the long sound of alphabet A? It's A, like made. Okay? Now let's try another example. What is this? This is rat. What is the beginning sound of rat? It's R. What is the ending sound of rat? It is T. What is the middle sound of rat? It is A. A is the phonic sound of alphabet A. Rat. So you can hear phonic sound in short vowel sound of alphabet A. Now let's see long sound of alphabet A. Look, they are judges. They are rating the performance. So this is rate. So let's write what is the first beginning sound of rate. It is R. What is the ending sound of rate? It is T. What is the middle sound of rate? It is A. Okay, A is alphabetic sound of alphabet A. Okay, look, who has come along with A? It's alphabet E. And that is how it is red. Long sound. Red. Okay?